In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account in Zoho Books, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho Books or ensuring that all your bank transactions are seamlessly integrated, this step-by-step process will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your hub. From here, you'll have access to all the functionalities you need to manage your finances efficiently. Once you've landed on this page, hover over to the menu bar. You'll want to find the banking option and click on it. This section will be the focal point where all your bank and credit card activities can be monitored. Once you're in the banking section, look for a button labeled Connect Bank Credit Card. Clicking on this will initiate the linking process. You should see a list of popular banks and financial services. If your bank is listed, click on it directly. If not, you might need to use the search feature to find it. For this demonstration, let's assume you want to link a PayPal account. Simply locate PayPal from the list and click on it. This action will guide you to the next step. If you wish to link a traditional bank account, such as Bank of America, follow the same process. Locate Bank of America from the list and select it. This selection will prompt a new window where you'll enter your banking credentials securely. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Connect to add your bank or credit card accounts. It's crucial to ensure that the information you input matches your bank's records precisely to avoid any linking issues. Be mindful of any security prompts from your bank, which may require additional verification. This step is where all the magic happens as your transactions begin pouring into Zoho Books, enabling you to track and manage them effortlessly. If you highlight certain options in the list, particularly if you have multiple accounts or services you wish to link, it helps to have a clear strategy. Let's say you're interested in connecting a foreign account such as Commonwealth Bank of Australia, ANZ, or even a Canadian bank like TD Bank, EasyWeb, or Scotiabank. Click on the respective bank's name to start the linking process. It's advisable to double check the information during each stage to make sure everything is accurate. At each stage, you may be required to authorize Zoho Books to access your bank information. This accounts for transactional oversight and syncing within your financial reports. Make sure to grant these permissions to maintain the accuracy and integrity of your data. Once all your accounts have been connected, you're all set. With this seamless integration in place, Zoho Books will automatically fetch your bank transactions, allowing you to focus on growing your business efficiently. If you run into any issues, Zoho support resources are an excellent go-to for troubleshooting. Thanks for joining, and happy accounting with Zoho Books.